Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS on board our 2018 Jeep Trackhawk, and let's fire this thing up and I'm going to show you guys how to do a step-by-step launch control since I couldn't really find anything online about it. So I wanted to show you guys how to properly engage launch control in this 707 horsepower Jeep. This thing is an absolutely crazy SUV. If you guys haven't checked out my review video of it, I'm going to link that in the video description below. All right, so the SRT8 Trackhawk, there is some different modes down here. There's a track, sport, automatic, tow, or snow and tow. And of course you can customize all these. It does also have a launch control, which we're gonna show you here in just a second. All right, so to engage your launch control, you're gonna go into track mode, press the launch button. It's gonna come up here and say launch enabled, apply full throttle. You're gonna do so, release brake. That's nuts. That's absolutely nutty in a, I don't even know, 6,000 pound SUV. This thing's crazy. This thing's absolutely nuts. Today we're gonna do a video review for you on a 2018 Jeep Trackhawk. So this is the supercharged version of the SRT. This thing has an absolutely crazy amount of horsepower, crazy amount of torque. It sounds incredible. I think it looks pretty good. We're just gonna do a quick inside-outside review. We'll take it for a little drive and let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out our channel members, and if you're interested in joining, you can do so by clicking join down below. And make sure you like this video and you're subscribed to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.